Nithyananda. Welcome to this video. This is Sri Nithyananda and I'm here at the Bengaluru Aadheenam of Nithyananda Peetham, the home of the rare living incarnation, Paramahamsa Sri Nithyananda. So today in the satsang, Swamiji shared a very beautiful thing and I want to share that in this particular video. He mentioned that what we have here in the Bengaluru Aadheenam is the most special spiritual ambience that is ever possible on the planet Earth. The environment that is being created here is to create powerful human beings who are completely in tune with one may call super consciousness, Sadashiva, Atman, Brahman and so on. And the way it manifests is a very beautiful inner space for those who live here. The tremendous environment for constant growth and expansion. The space that is there is for eternal expansion, and in that process people here manifest extraordinary powers that are described in our Vedic scriptures. So this is not just like people manifesting powers in the human body is not just stories or mythology, but we get to see that every day here and be part of it here at the Bengaluru Aadheenam. For example, you can see the deities at the back. They are independent intelligence by themselves. They respond to our prayers and requests because they have been infused with energy by an incarnation himself. And that is the best process through which life intelligence and life energy gets infused into the deities, and they go on be doing their work wherever they are and whomever connects with them. Deities Alankar, the tradition of yoga, puja, meditation, kriyas, and all of these are backed by scriptural evidence. What is called Shastra Pramana, in the sense it has been declared in our Shastras, and that's the declaration of our ancestors, in the sense evolved yogis, avatars, gurus, and then the declaration of our own individual master, which is our guru, and in my case it's Paramahamsa Nithyananda. Right? And finally that becomes our Sakshi Pramana, or our own personal individual experience. For example, the whole aspect of consciousness over matter is very evident and very simple for me, because just by focusing on an object, for example a coconut or a water bottle, I am able to very quickly move those objects without even touching them. And that shows what has always been said in our scriptures, that consciousness is much more powerful, is much more fundamental, is much more at the foundation of what this universe is all about. And to be able to connect with that and to be able to relate with that and to be able to use that in our day-to-day lives is the beautiful gift that Swamiji is giving in the ambience of Bengaluru Aadheenam Nithyananda Peetham. I welcome all those who are watching this to come visit this sacred place, one of a kind in the universe, and it's the most happening spiritual city in the universe at this time, just by the presence of a rare living incarnation. You can see one of his earlier pictures at the back, and what Swamiji is doing with the mission is simply amazing and beyond comparison, and it's a privilege to be part of such a journey. and I invite you to follow him on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, any of the social media channels that you're familiar with, and you will be enriched. Your life will be enriched, the lives of people around you will be enriched, and you will go on to create a more powerful humanity, a humanity that will live life in all harmony with not just nature, with fellow human beings, and with the whole cosmos. And that is possible. And Swamiji's vision for humanity is tremendous. And I invite you to understand his work, to learn from his work, and to benefit in all aspects of your life. So thanks for watching. Nithyananda.